Did you know that one of the most brilliant bank heists in history was pulled off using nothing but a fake pizza delivery? In 2003, a man named Brian Wells walked into a bank in Pennsylvania wearing a collar bomb around his neck. He handed the teller a note demanding money, claiming he was forced to rob the bank or the bomb would explode. The whole thing looked like a hostage situation gone wrong. Police surrounded him in a parking lot, but before they could help, the bomb detonated, killing Wells instantly. For years, investigators thought Wells was an innocent victim, but as they dug deeper, they uncovered a twisted plot involving his co-workers at a pizza shop. It turned out Wells was actually part of the scheme from the beginning. The masterminds had planned to use him as the fall guy, but their homemade bomb was more deadly than expected. The case became known as the Pizza Bomber Heist, and it took investigators over 5 years to unravel the full conspiracy and bring the real criminals to justice.